I'm happy to announce the commencement of classes for the incoming batch of MBA 23-25 starting from 3rd July.
Across all our 3 campuses, Visakhapatnam, Hyderabad and Bengaluru, we are looking forward to welcoming you to the GITAM School of Business student experience. Do not miss out the opportunity to attend the introductory session to be conducted over the first 4 weeks of the program, which is designed exclusively to provide you the rich experience and exposure to the dynamic world of business.
These sessions, termed as Zeroth Semester, will help you get into the groove of doing a full-fledged MBA.
The sessions in the Zeroth semester will comprise of the highly acclaimed case method of learning,
then followed by addresses by the leading academicians from GITAM School of Business as well as other premier institutes along with industry practitioners.
Also by international faculty. Also introduction to our business literature, management classics or lecture series, and introduction to building your professional profile using social media.
The exposure to management classics gives you a little different domain and entry into the world of business. Along with this, we also incorporate and let you go through, understand the intensity of business competitions, the way different competitions happen across different campuses, followed by industry tours. So it also gives you an orientation and understanding of management learning.
Also, how to take business decisions using the research methods. The designated Zeroth semester will always comprise all these learnings from this and gives you and prepares you to the real world of business administration and leadership.
We look forward for your participation in this Zeroth semester, which will help you lay a stronger foundation for the next 2 years of your course. Welcome to GITAM School of Business.